Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you have watched any of my episodes, you probably know that I'm a huge coffee lover, coffee fanatic, and about a week and a half ago I decided that I'm going to take a break from coffee just because I was under some stress. My adrenal glands, I felt like, were a little bit shocked and needed a little bit of a break. So I reluctantly, but I knew that it was the best thing for me, took a break from coffee. So it's been about a week and a half of me taking a break from coffee, and so I needed a healthy alternative to coffee, so I decided to start drinking hot cacao with some superfoods and adaptogens. So I'm using an 82% cacao powder with different adaptogens and superfoods, and it's super satisfying. I love it, and so I'm going to share it with you just in case you need an alternative to coffee and something that's super healthy for your adrenal glands, for your immune system, and so many other things. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. So I am using the cacao powder from Cacao. Okay, so the only things that I put into the pan and that I warm are the cacao powder, the coconut butter, and the coconut milk. Everything else can just go in the cup. There's no reason to warm it. Dang, that's good. It's not coffee, but it is an amazing drink. It's full of vitamins and minerals and herbs, and my body is thanking me every single time I drink it. So I'm full of energy after I drink this on a different level. It's different than coffee, but it's absolutely amazing, and I feel good when I put it into my body. So I hope you guys make something similar to this or the exact same recipe. It's really, really good for you. Your body will thank you. And I hope that you enjoyed this episode. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like down below, as well as subscribe to the channel. It really, really helps. And I will see you guys on future episodes. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias. And adios.